Hello friends, today I am going to be showing you how to solve a subtraction problem using counting up on a number line. And so we're going to use an example problem, 56 minus 29. And we're going to start with our number line. And one way to solve a subtraction problem is to count up from the smaller number to the bigger number because we're finding the difference between those two numbers. So I can start at 29 and I know that I need to count up until I reach the number 56. So I'm going to start from 29 and I'm going to use tens at first to help me get close to 56. So I'm going to jump a 10. And I'm going to land at 39, and another 10, and land at 49. Now, if I jump another 10, I'm going to land at 59, and that's too high because remember, I'm trying to get to 56. So instead, I'm going to do something smaller, and I'm just going to jump some ones until I get to 56. So I'm at 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And so that took me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I jumped a 10 and another 10 and a 7. So 10 plus 10 plus 7 is 27. So the difference between 56 and 29, or I could say 56 minus 29, is 27. Hopefully that helps when you're solving these types of problems or maybe on your homework today. Thanks.